Hello guys, so welcome to Executables and thank you all for reaching me to the first 100 subscribers. It didn't take a while, did it? It took almost 2 years since I opened this channel to reach my first 100 subscribers. Yes, that is how long it takes to reach 100 subscribers without sharing any of your videos or promoting any of your videos. That's how long it takes. It's really quite disappointing, isn't it? So anyways, today's video is going to be over how you can generate a direct link for your Dropbox files. Yes, if you do a lot of internet, you probably use one of these two services to store your files securely over internet. One is the Google Drive and second one is the Dropbox. Now both of these services give you an option to share your files, generate a link for your files and share it with other people, but the problem is the link they give is not a direct link. Now what actually is a direct link? A direct link is a link or an URL that gives you direct access to a file which also has the file name and the extension at the end of the URL. But both for the Google Drive and the Dropbox, it gives you some other kind of link that redirects you through another page. So that's not what we want. We want to generate a direct link, and today's video is going to be upon how we can generate that direct link for your Dropbox files. So without any further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, I have already the Dropbox dashboard opened in my browser. Just go to the files and hover your mouse pointer over the file that you want to generate the direct link for and click on the share options option. It opens a pop-up, and at the bottom of the pop-up you can see there's an option called copy link. Click on that and it gives you a link that can be shared. Just open a new tab, paste this link, and we're gonna actually we're gonna modify this link a little bit. We're gonna remove the last tag, which is question mark DL equals to 0. We're gonna remove this and we're gonna replace this www.dropbox.com tag with this one, which is dl.dropbox.usercontent.com. We're gonna copy this as well. We're gonna replace this, paste, and this whole URL is the direct link for the file. Now you can see that the APK file extension is at the end of the link, so it is a direct file, and if I enter the URL, it is supposed to download the file instantly. Yes, as you can see, it downloads the googlite.apk instantly, so it is a direct file, a direct URL. So that's how you generate the direct URL for your Dropbox files. In the next video, I'm gonna teach you how you can do this for the Google Drive. But for now, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click the like button if you really like this video. It was really small but important tutorial, I guess. And click the notification icon so that you can get all the updates whenever I upload a new video. So bye bye, take care, and subscribe Executables. Thank you.